Hi, I'm Dr. Obli Mani. I'm an internist. I've been practicing in Harvard Vanguard since October 2008. I've been practicing medicine since 1997. I've been very curious about medical knowledge because when I was around 12 or 13, my grandmother suffered from breast cancer, and she went through a really horrible time of going through surgery, radiation, and chemotherapy. And those days there wasn't much treatment available in the town that we lived in, and it was heartbreaking to see her suffer. So it made me ask myself a lot of questions, like why and how and why not and things like that. It made me very curious, and I was raised in a very conservative family where girls are not expected to go to college, but I did quite well in my school, and both my brother and myself, we both applied for medical school. So my family was in a dilemma what to do with a woman going to a city to do med school. Finally, they all agreed that they should not waste this opportunity, and they let me go. So I'm very thankful for that. I like to work with patient as a team member rather than dictator or controller of their health, and I would like to help them take care of their health in their own ways. But I can only guide them, but I cannot completely control their health. So if there are any small ways that I can modify, say for example, if they forget to take certain medications at a certain time, I try to help them and saying maybe you could do this way to help yourself remember to take this medication. When the patients walk into my office and they come in particularly looking for some guidance, rather than somebody telling them, you have to do this, and it's not humanly possible to leave the office with 10 different things and go home and do all of them, and I don't expect them to come back in 1 month with all the things I tell them to do. If they do even 1 out of 10 things when they come back, and I'm very happy with that. I like to go for a walk, and I also like to cook whenever I have some free time, and I love to spend time with my boys. And whatever free time I get, I love to do some gardening, and if I'm really lucky, I would like to read too.